Introducing the 2013 Ford Explorer. Take on every project with confidence in this spacious, versatile Explorer. This handsome midsize SUV offers a solid, comfortable ride and options that let you customize capabilities such as towing and intelligent all-wheel drive. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, third row seat, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, power driver seat, third row seat, tire pressure monitoring system, aluminum wheels, vehicle anti-theft system, rear spoiler. Count on Explorer to make your adventures all they can be. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.